If you want to use tabulation in Microsoft Word, press Tab on your keyboard. If you click on the Show Hide Paragraph icon at the top of the page, you will see that tab looks like an arrow. By default, one tab is 1.25 centimeters, so if you press Tab once, it will move 1.25 centimeters. If you click on the tab icon at the top left corner above the rulers, you can switch between tab styles. There's few tab styles: left, center, right, decimal, and bar tab. Let's start with the left tab. Click on the tab icon at the top left corner above the rulers and set it to Left Tab. Simply pull the tab pointer to the left or right side on the top ruler. Type any text. You can see it will align it to the left. If you want to remove the tab, pull the tab pointer past the ruler. Next one up is Center Tab. Click on the tab icon at the top left corner above the rulers and set it to Center Tab. Put the tab in any position and start typing. The text will move and align to the center of the tab. Next, let's see how the right tab works. Click on the tab icon at the top left corner above the rulers and set it to Right Tab. It works same as the left tab, except the alignment will be to the right side tab. The last is Decimal Tab. It is used to work with numbers. Click on the tab icon at the top left corner above the rulers and set it to Decimal Tab. The alignment works after the dot. The tab will align the numbers to decimal style. Let's move on and talk about line and paragraph spacing. We will show you how to change line and paragraph spacing.